Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this channel, I share Canva designing tutorial, awesome Instagram tips and tricks, and website development with WordPress. If you are interested in all these topics, then subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon, so you will know when I exactly post a new video. Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to create a beautiful ripped effect in Canva. Let's create this beautiful design in less than 10 minutes step by step. If you haven't watched torn paper effect tutorial, I will link the video in the I button, must watch. So let's create this beautiful design first. Let's add a new page. Click on elements and search for ripped paper. Add any ripped paper as per your design. Follow the steps, as in the video. If you want this background, let's search gradient in the search box. You will get many options here. Now let's create a second design step by step. Add a photo of your choice. Search torn paper, click on photos. Make sure you will add a transparent image. Let's check the full screen view. Hope you love this video. If so, please like this video, and if you have any questions, comment below. Thank you for your support. Thank you.